Hello viewers, today we're going to look at how to register and deregister a Uniden 2.4 GHz cordless telephone. These instructions should work for most, if not all, of the 2.4 GHz True series. If you have a handset that physically fits inside the main base, note that the main base is the one that has the phone cord jack in the bottom. You can simply put the handset into the base and it will register. The base and handsets can often be interchanged amongst the different models offered in the True 2.4 series. If you have an accessory handset that doesn't physically fit inside your base, there is a different procedure to use for registering. The first thing you need to do is unplug the base unit. With the power cord removed, press and hold the Find Handset button. While holding the button, plug in the base unit's power. After about 5 seconds, the charge light will begin to flash. The base is now in registration mode. On your handset, press and hold the pound key. After about 5 seconds, the handset will go into registration mode. After a brief period of time, the handset will register with the base without physically being inside of it. To deregister the handset, you must first remove the handset from the base's memory and then remove the base from the handset's memory. To do so, we're going to open the menu on the handset, this button here, and then scroll down using the volume up and down buttons until we see System Reset, indicated that's selected by the little arrow on the left side of the screen. Then we'll press Select to go into it, and then we're going to select again to do deregister handset. Now we need to scroll down to the handset that we want to deregister. In this case, this is the computer room handset. I'm going to scroll down and select it and then confirm. The handset has now been cleared from the base's memory. Now we're going to clear the base from the handset memory. So again, we're going to hit Menu and go down to System Reset, and then we're going to select Replacing Base and confirm. And now you can see we're back on the registration screen.